Alright, YouTube, Jacob with Good to Go Gear. Alright, just washed the truck. Didn't do a real good job, but took it to work. Got some mud on it. Missed that spot there. But we just washed the truck, which is kind of a pointless deal, but it had mud and shit on it because I took it to work today. I work in construction, so I had like concrete paste and stuff. But we got the running boards installed. These are Weston HDX running board. Just wanted to give you all an update on that. I like them. The wife likes them also. I like how they're matte black, but it kind of matches like the trim here, and it looks like it just kind of flows right into it. We went and ordered the camper shell that we're gonna get for it today. Something else we did, I don't know if you can notice, they don't really show up very well on camera, but the front windows are tinted as dark as legal as in the state of Texas, which is 25%. We also got a eyebrow put on the top. That's limo tint, so I don't know how dark that is. I guess 5% or something. We got limo tint for the eyebrow. Running board. And this right here is what tells you Texas certified tint law, 25% or greater. So yeah, but they're tinted. It's hard to tell. It looks better and try to back it out. On camera you can't even hardly tell. In person it looks pretty dark. Not as dark as the back. The back's 15, the front's 25. Wow, that's weird on camera, you can't tell at all. So anyway, just want to give you an update. So far I'm loving the WeatherTech window visors, or vent covers, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, anyway, Jacob, Good to Go Gear, thanks.